and welcome to Awesome Animal Ambassadors. Today, we will meet a North American river otter. River otters are found throughout most of North America, except for arid deserts and the Arctic. Otters generally forage in the water for fish, frogs, crayfish, turtles, and insects. Otters have 2 layers of fur. They have a dense, short underfur to keep them warm, and a coarse guard hair that helps repel water while swimming. Otters can swim up to 8 miles per hour and dive up to 36 feet deep using their strong tail to propel them forward. If you want to help protect these animals, you can pick up litter from our own neighborhoods. Otters are very sensitive to land and water pollution. By cleaning up litter from our neighborhoods, we are preventing the litter from getting into their habitat, which will help keep the otters healthy and safe. Thank you for watching Awesome Animal Ambassadors. Join us tomorrow at 10 to meet another awesome animal.